Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be baking stuff. Wait, I saw this. What?
You need to say that, what's it called? Okay, this is not your kitchen, and, you're gonna get it ruined.
I know, it's the clubhouse kitchen. But we're gonna be baking at the clubhouse where I'm staying because I'm a pleb YouTuber with a little bit of subscribers. Hashtag first life problems. But
You forgot to say that there's going to be commercials.
oh, well, yeah, there's gonna be commercials, so I'm just gonna start making this into a perfect cake. So I'm done. So I'm just gonna put it in this. What? Ahora que quieres?
I'm the host, you know.
I don't care. Go. I hired you. I can fire you. Okay?
No, I hired you. I invented the clubhouse.
Okay, then go away. I'm gonna bake it at something degrees. So yeah. So while we wait, I'm gonna just roll out this. There's still some bubbles. I don't know if you can see them because we're totally fake YouTubers, like the ones that would go like, whoever buys the most things gets a car and stuff like that, and then they just end up returning everything. Yes. I'm not one of those. But we're just gonna...
You ruined my beauty sleep for all that screaming. No, I didn't. I clearly didn't. Then why am I awake? Because you were always awake.
Cállense!
Shut up!
Okay, they're losers. Let's just keep rolling and rolling and pushing me. Stop! Okay.
Do you need whipped cream but don't know how to whip it? It's okay. You can just go. That was horrifying.
It's fine.
You can just buy some cool, nice, and delicious shaving cream. Not sponsored, but yeah, look, shaving cream. Make sure to leave us a like if you have this at your house.
Okay, that's it. I'm not doing any more.
Well, that was scary, though. I'm gonna come kill you if you don't buy it. I'm just kidding.
So I'm finally done rolling it. I'm just gonna take a shaving cream and I'm just gonna take out the cake because I think it's done. It should be done by now. Yep, it's done. Here you go. And I'm just gonna be grabbing my baby spatula if
I finally got this.
What?
Someone who ate my...
Oh, I know who it was.
You!
No, it was the cameraman. I saw them eating it and I'm like, is that yours? And they're like, ooh, and then it just went away. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing this off camera because actually I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what I'm doing. So,
Hey, you Red Bull girl!
Rabble girl? Who's a rabble girl?
Rabble girls! Shut up! Okay. You know, I have a name. Don't know. Well, you need to fire that cameraman. Why? He's perfect. Because of what?
They always fight with the host.
Because because he ate my food. You know I can fire you instead of him. Ah! Okay, fine. I'll fire him for a woman.
No, don't do that. He's the best cameraman ever.
I'll come back in a second. Okay.
So I think I'm done. So I'm just gonna put the fondant off the camera.
You know he's scared, and he needs he's going to change. He needs to change to a girl. So we don't fire him. Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this. Put the camera.
Okay, so did you fire him? Let me just tell him.
What? No, I was told. Okay. So I'm just gonna put the fondant.
Okay.
So I'm finally done putting the fondant.
Okay.
on here.
He is ready. Come up.
Okay, but Kardashian.
Bunny Jenner.
Oh, I thought you were.
Look,
But
you can tell by
Kardashian.
my big butt and my lips.
Okay, you can go now. So yeah, and stuff like that, and stuff. But I'm just gonna add this. Trim.
And you can tell by my Dora hair. Inspired by Dora.
Oh. Now I'm gonna just decorate it with some of.
So how
this.
did you like her?
She's okay. I'm gonna just grab this and
Okay, so this wasn't focusing, Katerina, so we needed to fix this.
it's okay if it doesn't.
Can we please get a commercial here? Oh, never mind.
No, not yet. I need to finish this.
We'll pause it.
So I'm finally done with the cake. It's pretty nice. Yeah.
Why did you drink my soda?
I told you a million times. This time I was the host.
What the truck?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm tired of y'all eating my foods. So hand me 3 plates. You know what? What am I going to do with these?
No, not the precious cake.
No! I'm going to drop them. Now you and the
Subscribe to Melissa's LPS show. We're finished with the video, y'all.
1 like equals 1 prayer for her.
We're done with the videos.
Wait, get out. What did you do this time? Okay, it looks weird on camera. So now hand me.
Okay, let me just.
Clean it. Hand me that piece of cake.
Hey, that was for my little sister. Today's her birthday.
Oh. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my little sister's channel, Melissa's LPS show. So
We need to clean the camera though.